Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies, I'm going to be sharing a very near and dear topic to my heart today. Before I get into this video, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a second of these awesome videos. What I would love to talk about today is why living in the moment is lovely. There's no better way to put it. There's nothing better than being involved in the here and now and enjoying the experiences that are happening in real time, in real life. It is absolutely amazing to be able to enjoy the emotions there of the people that are around you, to be able to enjoy the memories there without having to vlog the events, without having to take a million pictures, that you can enjoy the here and now with the people that are with you here and now. I really cannot stress enough there how important it is to be able to enjoy what you're experiencing in the moment there, because it's amazing there, all of the detail and beauty there that's going on right around you that you can capture with your own two eyes there without needing to experience it through a camera. It is absolutely amazing to be able to enjoy such a wonderful opportunity, to be able to seize every magical, memorable moment right as it's happening. That it's absolutely amazing to be able to enjoy the wonderful experiences with the friends and family that are around you and the wonderful people that are there to experience the event and the occasion right alongside you, as true friends and fantastic family should always do. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope that everyone else will enjoy living their life to the fullest, living their best life by being in the here and now with the people that are there, here and now with them. I hope this video has inspired you as much as I've enjoyed sharing how imperative it has been to experience life as it's happening and not have to rely on cameras, video recorders, camcorders, photos to be able to relive the memories there that you were busy just capturing instead of enjoying the time spent with the family and friends as the event was occurring. I hope you guys will treasure each and every moment and be able to enjoy the wonderful memories that you make with the people that are around you and the excellent environments that people are so privileged to enjoy and make many memories while visiting. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below, click on your post notifications to turn on the notifications for every upload so you don't miss out on any of this amazing content, and also follow me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation, my Twitter is Comedy Addict. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I can't wait to share some more amazing content with you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you guys in the next video. Bye subbies.